Hello dear Leos, a very good evening to you guys. I hope you guys are doing really fine in your life. So this is the journal of reading for all the Leos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and keep in mind these are journal readings, so this might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing, that roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so let's see, let's start. So Leos, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Eight of Cups. Okay, Leo, I feel like your partner is trying to walk away from this connection or from the pain or the hurt that's causing them very difficult phase in their life. So I feel like right now your partner is trying to walk away. At least energetically, they are feeling like they should walk away from the connection. Might be there's something that is not working out between you guys, and this person is trying to just walk away from the situation. Might be they're just trying to walk away from something else. Let's clarify. I should not jump into any kind of conclusion. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups in their current energy. Let's see, Leos. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups in their current energy. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups in their current energy. King of Swords, Ace of Wands, Knight of Swords. Okay, I feel like this person is, trying to start a new life. This person is trying to walk away from something, and they are very clear and honest about their intention. They want to start their life all over again. They want to have a passionate start with you, and they I feel like this person don't want to rush into anything, so they are taking it really slow. This is what they are trying to do here. This is what their current energy is. So I feel like this person is walking away from something that was very painful for them, and that's why now this person is very clear about their intentions, about what they want from this life, what they want from you, or what they want from the relationship thing in their life. And they want to have a brand new connection in their life, brand new start in their life, brand new uh, passionate start in their life. And they might be just stopping themselves to right now rush into anything. This is their present energy, this is their current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Leos. Kids are shouting behind the scenes. Dogs are barking. Every fucking shit is happening right now only when I'm making the videos. Sometimes it really irritates me, but this is how my house is. So let's see. Leos, your current energy right now is King of Wands. I feel like Leos, you are really very passionate about something in your life, okay? And you are wearing your heart on your sleeves. You are ready to dare, ready to do something very you can say explosive, and you're really passionate about something. This is the King of Wands energy. This is your current energy. You are passionate about your life. You just want to enjoy life. Might you just don't want to think about the future or think about the past. You just want to live in the present with energy of passion and love. This is your current energy. King of Wands, let's clarify. But this is mature energy. This is not like childish energy or kiddish energy. It's mature one. Let's clarify the King of Wands in your current energy, Leos. Eight of Swords, the Death card could be dealing with the Scorpio, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so you are passionate about your life. You are, ready to take the risk of your life because you are feeling from inside, from deep inside, you're mentally conflicted. You are feeling like everybody keeps on hurting me. That's why I'm just, make some kind of walls around me. I'm not going to allow, and I'm not going to allow anybody to reach me and hurt me again. You are going through a ending in your life. So there is something that is ending. Leo, I feel like definitely there is some kind of breakup thing that you're dealing with right now. Your person is also trying to walk away from the situation. Might be this is the situation that is very painful for both of you, and you're just trying to come out of the situation. You're trying to look good. You're trying to feel good. You're trying to make yourself look like, yeah, okay, I'm okay. Everything is fine. But deep down you're conflicted. Deep down you're going through some kind of very transformative phase of your life, and you are feeling like somebody left you out in the cold. Somebody gave you no reason to to walk away from you. But but after all this shit, you're still carrying lots of passion, lots of emotions about life. You are just ready to start your life all over again. You're not, I feel like you might be having one night stands, or you might be enjoying just sex for the time being, because you are feeling like everything is shitty in my life right now, so that's why I just want fun in my life. Yeah, this is how I can elaborate this thing right now, Leos. Yeah, this is shitty, but yes, I understand that you're trying your best to come out of this situation right now. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you, Leo. This person is deeply sad. That I can tell you. This person is deeply sad. They're not happy. Moving away, walking away from you. They're not happy. You're not happy, but you're also not happy. But you are at least trying to be as much as happy in your life as much possible. Sun could be dealing with another Leo. This person feels you are their happiness. You really give them happiness. You really gave them some kind of happy memories. You gave them joy. You gave them everything that a person can get from a partner. So this person feels happy with you. This person feels good with you, and they carry lots of good feelings for you, not bad one or not any kind of negative feelings. But this person feels really good with you. To be honest, let's clarify the sun and their feelings for you. They feel like you are some kind of kid and you're really energetic and you are very beautiful. Justice could be dealing with the Libra, Page of Sword, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, but they feel for you. They want to do justice with this connection. They want to do justice with their feelings and this connection. They are spying on you. They are spying on you. They are watching you grow. Okay, they're watching you, that you are growing, that you are emotionally stable, that you are independent, that you are doing good in your life. This is what they feel about you. They want to just do justice with their own feelings. Might be they're not getting what they want from you. That is why this person is feeling like I should do justice with my feelings at least. Okay, if this person is not responding to me, or if the Leo is not that much into me as I am, but this person feels like yes, you are their happiness, and that's why this person is feeling like they should do justice with themselves. They feel like justice should be served to them. Yeah, okay. Hats off to me now. And they're spying on you and they are watching you, that you are really growing in your life. You are stable, you are financially stable, mentally stable, emotionally stable, and they're happy about this. They're feeling happy about this. They're not carrying any kind of revenge feelings or any kind of negative feelings towards you. This is beautiful. Let's see, Leos, what this person wants from you. Let's see. Page of Cups. Okay, this person wants you to connect with them. This is what they want from you. This person wants to inculcate some kind of new feelings, brand new feelings from you, brand new start from you, childish energy from you. They want you to be like a kid, and just don't think about the future, don't think about the past, and start this connection all over again with lots of beautiful emotions. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify. Roles can be reversed. I told you so. So might be you are feeling like that. Might be you want it from them. So the Seven of Wands, the Emperor, and the Six of Wands could be dealing with an Aries. So I feel like this person wants you to lose the ego battles. Just stop being defensive. Just stop being so arrogant and stop being so rude. And this person wants to take a decision that this person wants to take some kind of decision, and this person wants you to be loyal with them and celebrate life with them, to be victorious with them, to be victorious in this connection with them. So I feel like for some of you, I feel like this is marriage card. This is not marriage card actually, but I feel like now today I'm getting intuitively, I'm getting that this person wants to start with this connection with a brand new energy of love, a brand new energy of feelings, and this person wants to marry you. This person wants a marriage proposal from your side. Okay, fine. So they're walking away from you. They're energetically trying to walk away from you, but they want new love feelings from you. Weird. Yeah, this person is in love with you. At least they are energetically very, very connected to you. Emotionally, they are very connected to you. Let's see what is coming towards you. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July, Leo. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Six of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person is coming back towards you. Okay, right now they are feeling like they should walk away, but this person is coming back towards you with equal give and take of energy. So I feel like this person is going to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side as well, and they want to have it. You know, the equal give and take of energy. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely. Might be you guys are connected to each other through some kind of project, or financially there's some kind of financial things that you are going to do together. Might be for some of you. That's why this person is feeling like they should at least connect to you. And for others of you, if you are not connected, on a job level, on a business level, this person wants to put in the effort, put in the energy, and put in the work in this connection. They are feeling like the worst is over now, they can start this connection all over again. And yes, definitely they want to have, they are going to offer you some kind of friendship offer. Might be, I'm not getting this commitment energy as of now, or the loving energy from their side from their side right now. But Leos, I feel like there will be a brand new start in this connection all over again with your particular person. So this is what is happening with you guys, Leos, till 10th of July. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leos. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight and you are truly going to enjoy what is coming towards you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.